Good afternoon, boys and girls. This is Miss Birmingham, your librarian, and I'm just doing a quick little screencast to show you how to use the online catalog. And the online catalog shows us how to find books in the library. I depend on this greatly because I don't know what's in our library at all times, so I have to look to see if things are checked out. Sometimes I forget what we have, so I'm always on this particular system. So the way you get in is you go to schools, you go down to Franklin, okay, then you go to the library, you see all these really cool apps and things. Well, we're just going to use this one today because we're looking for the catalog. Again, you go to Franklin, and now you see what we have in our library. So it tells us what's been recently added, what the popular titles are. You can browse by topic. We have some ebooks, audiobooks, and 2 interactive books. Okay, so I'm constantly hearing kids say, where can I find scary books? So if you click on this, it will show you everything that we have that's considered scary. If you see something you're interested in, let's say, ooh, I really want this, but as you can see, there's a big red checked out flag on the side, so it won't be here in our library right now. This book right here, Ghost Fever, Mal de Fantasma, is actually a Spanish book. Anything with SP in front of it means Spanish. If you don't speak Spanish, you don't want to get that book. This one right here, The Ghost Comes Calling. This one's in. It has the call number of FIC, W-R-I, which means it's in the fiction section of our library, which is the blue section, the chapter book section, and you would go to the W's, look for W-R-I, and it should be there on the shelf. Now, if it is not there on the shelf, that means it's probably on the cart, and it just hasn't been shelved yet. It could also possibly be on top of the shelf as a display. But otherwise, these books should be there. This one right here with SC in front of it, that's one of my unusual books. That means it's part of the short story collection. It's a very small section. This is actually checked out, and this is also actually considered an ebook. So you also want to look for that too, because if it's an ebook, you're not going to find a physical copy on the shelf. You'll have to read it from the internet. Okay, so let's say you want to look for a particular book. Okay, this is a really popular title. Okay, and as you can see, we have quite a few that are checked out. So you can search the way that I showed you by topic, or you can search with a specific title. So again, this is checked in. This should be on the shelf under FIC, K-I-N, and it's all there for you. It tells you the Lexile level, the interest level, all those things if you're interested. Okay. I'm going to go to go back and show you the other things that we have. So as you can see, there's lots of other topics. The ebooks are really cool, and I'm actually shocked that there's so many checked out. I don't remember that last year. Let's see if I can get into one. Trying to find one that's available. Okay, I'm not finding one that's readily available. I'm almost going to give up. Obviously, I don't think I need to show you. I'm not finding one. Okay, so what I believe you do is you click on the title that you're interested in, and you simply click on it and you read it from a computer. And that's pretty much all there is to that. Okay. I'm going to go back. So that's pretty much the whole idea of how to find books. You can ask me, and that's great, but most of the time when I have an entire class in there, it makes it really hard for me to help each and every single person. There's just not enough time. So if you can kind of play around with this, it'll help you and it'll help me find what you're looking for. And if you have any questions, just let me know.